Start meeting other women. Develop an abundance mentality and start having more female options in your mind. To win back a girl who rejected you, get good with women in general. Low-level thinking is desperately looking for the trick to attract your crush. High-level thinking is learning the skills to get good with women in general. Are you obsessing over one girl? When your mind feels that there's only one girl in the world for you, that's called having a scarcity mentality. When you feel like this, it's easy to develop an intense crush on that one girl. And as a result, you become dependent on the girl's validation. You depend on her treating you nicely to feel good about yourself. This causes you to do needy shit that makes you unattractive. You easily get jealous. You become clingy and possessive. You develop this elaborate romantic fantasy about the girl in your mind, and you want to fulfill this fantasy. So you get so attached to it that you become needy for it. And if this is you, nothing kicks you out of Oneitis better than thinking about other women and interacting with them. When you do this, you start thinking in terms of abundance. Yes, I know you feel your crush is the only girl for you, and that if you let her go, she'll forget you and she'll go find some other guy. This is what you feel. But the reality is that obsessively pursuing this girl when it isn't working only puts you in a deeper hole. And to break out of that hole, you need to reset her weak image of you and replace it with a strong image. To do this, you must first go no contact, second, reset her image of you by doing a pattern interrupt, and third, come back stronger than ever before. The secret of how to win back a girl who rejected you is to change your image of you, because here's the bottom line. You must break this image to make her think of you differently. How do you do it? There's an intriguing little mind game called the Scrambler that when you use it on a girl, it shifts this pattern of interaction and makes her strongly attracted to you. To learn more about the Scrambler, just go to championsofmen.com/getthegirl.